Welcome to Eureka Tempus. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our community of learners. Like this video because you would enjoy it, and drop a comment if you have any question or just want to say hi. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of physics, the fundamental science that explores the laws governing the natural world. From the earliest days of human existence, curiosity has driven us to explore, question, and understand the world around us. Why do the stars shine? How does the sun rise and set? What makes an apple fall from a tree? Why is it possible to see myself on the mirror? Why does the brake stop a car? Why do we see the rainbow after rainfall? These questions, among others, which are observable phenomenon, is born out of curiosity and have led to the birth and development of one of the most profound and enlightening fields of study, physics. Physics at its core is the science that seeks to explain the universe's workings. It is a quest to understand the natural laws and principles that governs everything, from the tiniest particles such as quarks and atoms to the vast expanse of space. The relentless pursuit of knowledge has propelled humanity into a field of discovery. Physics is not just about abstract theories, it is a tangible science that impacts our daily lives. The technology we use, from smartphones, laptops, computers, to medical imaging devices, all stem from our understanding of physics principles. Whether you are gazing at the stars, dropping a stone into a pond, or turning on the light switch, physics is at play, guiding and explaining the wonders around us. Welcome to the fascinating world of physics, where human curiosity leads to discovery. Physics is a branch of science that seeks to understand the fundamental principle governing the universe. Physics is concerned with three essential concepts, namely time, space, and matter. According to Dr. Kent Hovind, time, space, and matter are what we call a continuum, meaning that the three of them have to come into existence at the same instant. Because if there were matter but no space, where will you put it? If there were matter and space but no time, when will you put it? You cannot have time, space, and matter independently. They have to come into existence simultaneously. The deep connection between these concepts is essential in understanding the natural world.
Therefore, physics can be defined as a science that studies the fundamental principles of time, space, matter, and their interaction with energy.
Simply put, physics is the scientific study of the interactions and behaviors of energy and matter in the universe. Branches of physics. There are many branches of physics, but we'll be looking at only 5. First, classical mechanics. This is a branch of physics that deals with the motion of objects and the force acting on them. It includes the study of concepts of velocity, acceleration, and laws of motion. 2. Electromagnetism. This branch of physics deals with the study of electric and magnetic fields and their interaction with matter. It includes phenomena such as electric currents, magnetic fields, and electromagnetic waves. Thermodynamics. This branch of physics focuses on heat and energy, and also the relationships between them. It studies the laws of energy and conversion, including concepts like entropy and efficiency of engines. Number 4. Optics. This is a branch of physics that deals with the behavior and properties of light. It studies the interaction of light with matter, including reflection, refraction, diffraction, and interference. Number 5. Acoustics. This is a branch of physics that deals with the study of sound and its propagation through different mediums. It includes the study of sound waves, their interaction with materials, and application in music and engineering. Other branches of physics include biophysics, quantum physics, atomic physics, nuclear physics, and astrophysics. These branches of physics, along with many others, form the foundation of a field that not only satisfies our innate curiosity but also drives technological advancements that impact our daily lives. So, as we continue to explore this fascinating subject, remember that physics is all around us, guiding the natural laws and principles at play. Stay curious, keep questioning, and together we will continue to unravel the secrets of the universe. Thank you for being a part of Eureka Tempus, where every moment is a chance for discovery. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to Eureka Tempus for more free tutorials. Your comments and questions are always welcome, so drop them in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you once more. See you in the next video where we'll discuss physical quantities.